Let's look at these two examples here. We have a vector A and a vector B. The length of vector A is 4, the length of vector B is 5, and we want to find the dot product of vectors A and B. So we can write that A dot B is equal to the length of A times the length of B times the cos of the angle in between. So that's going to equal the length of A, which is 4, times the length of B, which is 5, times the cos of angle in between, so it's cos of 30 degrees. So you could put the 30 cos into your calculator and get the answer for that, or if you can remember when we looked at the working out common angles, we could say that we had our triangle like this, and if we say that this length is 2, 2 and 2, so when we split it down the middle, this is going to be a length of 1 and 1, and this is going to be root 3. The angle here is going to be 60, 60 and 60, so that means that this small angle up here is the 30 degrees. So that means that the cosine of 30 degrees, well, cosine is going to be the adjacent, so that's the adjacent here, and that's the opposite, so it's going to be root 3 upon 2. So the answer to this is going to be equal 4 times 5 times root 3 upon 2, which is equal to, the 2 cancels with the 4 given us 2, so it's going to be 2 times 5 is 10 root 3. So let's look at the second one here. We have vector A and vector B. The angle in between is pi by 3, so therefore the dot product A dot B is the length of A times length of B times the cos of angle between. So the length of A is 4, the length of B is 6, the cosine of the angle in between, what's cos? Pi by 3. So pi by 3, this is the angle in radians, so pi is, if you change it back into degrees, it's going to be 180 upon the 3, which is equal to 60 degrees. So now we've got 4 times 6 times the cosine of 60 degrees. Well, cosine of 60 degrees from this here, that's the 60 degrees here, so the cosine is going to be that length 1 divided by 2. So the dot product is going to be 2 times 6 equals 12.